In order to transfer your music from Android phone to USB using the OTG adapter, follow the simple steps. First of all, make sure to connect a USB, or in my case, it's gonna be SD flash drive to your OTG adapter. There are many types of them. Just make sure that the one which you are using is compatible with your phone and that your phone can see that adapter at all. So I have my SD to USB-C adapter. Now let's grab our phone, locate our charging part, and insert our adapter. Great, we inserted it. Now let's check whether our phone detects it or not. So in order to do that, open up your files, and now we can see if there's anything. Right, we've got our USB storage, so it sees our USB storage. That's a good news. So to transfer our music to our USB storage, locate your audio files or basically any folder where you stash your music. Now choose the song, hold your finger on it, and press move, or you can simply copy and paste it. I'll do it through the move. Now let's go back and let's locate our USB storage. Now locate any kind of file or any kind of folder, or you can drop it just in the storage, up to your taste. I'll just do it like this. Move to your phone. So now our song has been moved, and when we are done, to safely remove this USB storage, tap on the three dots here and press unmount. Now we can safely take it out, and basically that's it. And I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel.